Welcome to another exclusive export video of Infra Engineers India, a star export house for used equipment, duly accredited by the Government of India. The mining industry in India is a major economic part in terms of contributing to GDP and supply of raw materials, which caters to the manufacturing, employment and infrastructure sectors of the nation. India stands in the third place of the largest producer of coal in the world. The country produced up to 730 million tons in the financial year 2020. India has many untapped mines, and the government has opened mines with more investment from the private sector. The scope of construction equipment usage will be very high. Dump trucks like Komatsu and Caterpillar are manufactured in India and are exported across the globe. Even Hitachi is planning to start manufacturing dump trucks. This shows the high potential of construction equipment for years to come. Infra Engineers India has very good relation with manufacturers and leading mining companies in India, which facilitates in procuring used equipment. In future, India is going to be a main hub for construction equipment. The company has spread its roots in the used construction equipment industry for over a decade. It has had a significant growth and expertise in buying used equipment and refurbishing them with dedicated service team. It has gained trust in exporting quality used equipment to over 40 countries worldwide. Infra Engineers India has strongly stepped into exporting refurbished dump trucks and excavators with hands-on experience in the industry and integral teams with deep understanding of the product. With India becoming a major manufacturing hub for construction equipment, Infra Engineers India finds itself getting many inquiries globally. This shows that people across the world have recognized India to be the upcoming source of used construction equipment. Across the globe, the demand of dump truck is very high. The company serves in providing refurbished dump trucks of major brands like Komatsu, Caterpillar, Volvo, etc. Infra Engineers India can provide dump trucks of wide capacity from 20 tons to 100 tons. This year, it is expected to export 75 dump trucks to various geographies of the world. By 2024, the company will achieve its milestone of exporting over 1,000 units of various construction equipment. Please feel free to contact Infra Engineers India for any used construction equipment requirement.